Attorneys for an accused Central Texas serial killer are trying to get a plea deal for him, but the family members of the victims recently sent a letter to Travis County District Attorney Jose Garza demanding a trial. Raul Meza Jr. is accused of killing Gloria Lofton in 2019 and Jesse Fraga in 2023. He was previously convicted of killing 8-year-old Kendra Page in the 1980s. He served 11 years of his sentence before he was released. KVUE's Malia Masamoto joins us now in our studio. And Malia, you've been closely following the court proceedings in the Raul Meza case.
Yeah, Quita, that's right. In court last month, Meza's attorney said he is ready for the whole ordeal to be over and wasn't interested in having a trial where all this information comes out. But family of his victims want exactly that, so the public can hear everything and so that they can seek the death penalty.
And it's important that he knows that, I'm not backing down. I'm going to outlive that man.
Those were the sentiments from family members of the victims of accused serial killer Raul Meza Jr. just a few months ago, hoping for a trial. Months later, his attorneys now fighting for a plea deal.
They're not terribly interested in having a trial where a bunch of stuff comes out and that nobody really wants to hear. And so Mr. Meza is ready to get over with.
But the families say they want more closure. On Saturday, they sent District Attorney Jose Garza a letter saying, quote, "We do not want to accept any settlement offer. We demand to take this to a jury trial and fight for the death penalty." Local criminal defense attorney and legal expert Charlie Baird said because of the crimes and how many families are impacted, their voices may have more weight than normal.
I think that the prosecutor would want to give them a pretty wide berth and a strong say in how the case is resolved.
But with DA Garza's fixed stance on the death penalty, that will make it difficult.
He has expressed publicly before that he would not seek the death penalty in cases, and I think that his policy in that regard would remain true even in a case like Mr. Meza. So I don't see the state actually seeking the death penalty for Mr. Meza.
Baird also says a high-profile trial like this one would take away from already strained judicial resources.
That means other cases will not get to be tried because the Meza case would take preference over those.
And cost a large amount to bring in many expert witnesses. But for these families, no price is too high to get justice for their loved ones who are now gone. The district attorney's office said they cannot make any comments on the letter as it is an active case. Currently, there is a court date set for Meza in 2 weeks where the judge said they will either accept a plea deal at that time or start their pretrial hearings.